Hello everyone, today is Thursday the 7th of March 2024 and I don't have anything to do today, but I just feel like filming this part of the video today. On Saturday the 9th of March, Nottingham City Transport are going to be holding their open day for their new electric buses. They're going to be showing them off at Old Market Square and I'm gonna go have a look at them. This part of the video is going to be talking about what routes the new buses are going to be on. And luckily on my wall I have a network map of Nottingham City Transport's bus routes. So I can use this to show you the routes that are going to have the new buses. First off, they're going to launch these buses in 2 batches. The first batch are going to be on the Pink Line 30 to Wollerton and Bramcote, the Blue Line 39 to Thornywood and Carlton Valley, and the Red Line 50 to Colic and Victoria Retail Park. And then later on, they're going to launch the second batch of new buses, which will be on the Green Line 11 to Lady Bay, and the Blue Line 40, 41 and 42 to St Anne's. These buses will be single-decker. I forgot what model they are, but they're made by Yutong. And yeah, they're going to show them in Old Market Square. We're gonna go have a look at them. It's gonna be great. And I've never been to like a bus or train like transport open day or anything like that before. So this is gonna be a first for me. Anyways, I'm gonna skip to 2 days from now when I'm in Nottingham. I'm in Beeston, specifically High Road Central College tram stop. I wanted to get a bit of tram action on today because it was exactly 20 years ago today that trams first started running in Nottingham. Now admittedly they weren't running here 20 years ago. This, where I'm at right now, is part of the second phase, which they opened in 2015, but still. It was 20 years ago today that trams came to Nottingham, so I felt like celebrating that by jumping on the tram today. And I also do love a good tram, especially the ones in Nottingham. The trams in Nottingham are lovely. There they are.
No, that's not talk about it. That's not.
Okay, why not?
Well, that's cool.
Why don't you have a pink one? I need a pen.
I appreciate the free stuff to put in my room, Nottingham City Transport. This is cool. I'm going to make these and put them in my room. Alright, so these are the new buses. Let's go in.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Feel more solid than the
They're very solid.
Ooh. Got the folding seats. They're pretty nice actually. I like them. also have my friend Will here.
Yes.
I didn't expect you to be here right now, but hello. I like the cardboard buses. I'm probably gonna have a segment of the video where I'm making the buses. What do you think of the new buses?
I prefer diesel. They're better for the environment,
Yeah.
but I still prefer diesel.
They're pretty nice though, honestly. I'd be lying if I said I didn't like them. They're very
They
nice.
do look nice.
There's like a button there. There's also one on the back of the seat. That's interesting. So, NCT have given us this leaflet. Let's have a read through it. Air conditioning and extra legroom. For added comfort, adjustable switches can be found in the overhead panels to control the airflow. Brand new next stop screens, including a rear-facing screen which can be seen from the wheelchair bay. Bigger buggy bay and updated wheelchair bay. There are no tip-up seats in the wheelchair bay, which helps reduce conflict over the use of space. 79% less well-to-wheel greenhouse gas emissions compared to a conventional Euro 6 diesel. Full-colour destination displays, easier to see from a distance and in the dark. Our full fleet of electric buses will save 3,800 tonnes of CO2e each year and every year. USB-C charging points, state-of-the-art charging facilities for your latest device. Up to 275 miles on a single charge, enough to cover a full day in service. It does, it says that up there. You may have seen them out and about as our drivers and engineers have familiarised themselves with these new buses. We've also ordered a further 24 single decks due to be delivered in 2025. So that's like on top of the 12 that are going to be on the 30, 39, 50, and the 12 that are going to be on the 11, 40, 41 and 42.
Yeah, so what I was being told from the driver is all the single-decker routes will be replaced by these new U-tongs.
Does that include like the 53, 54 as well?
Literally, MMCs, Solo SRs, all going to be U-tongs by the end of...
They're all going to be by the end of 2025?
I don't assume 2025. I didn't get told a date, but they have tested new electric deckers as well.
They're double deckers?
Yeah, they've tested new double decker.
Are they also made by Yutong?
Yes.
Okay, cool. I like the new wheelchair, not wheelchair seats. The folding seats on here. They're actually really nice. Probably the nicest folding seats I've ever seen on a bus.
Comfy.
They're actually comfy.
Wheelchair people have got a map.
Oh yeah, I just noticed that. There's a map there. That's cool. Grab handles on here as well, in case you need to stand. Emergency door there as well. In case the bus breaks down or something.
A new way of opening, so it's not just a handle.
Oh, so you have to open. You have to open the thing, and then push it. Okay. Yeah, I noticed they all have Eon on the back of them. I did notice that. I'm gonna try and build this while on the bus. That's here. That in there. Arts and crafts is not my specialty. I have to be careful here. There's the wheels.
I don't want to bend the wheels.
No, then it wouldn't drive. Let's do these. Oh no, that's come apart too. There we go.
Bus.
There's your bus. That's going to conclude this section of the video about the new buses themselves. Thanks to Will for coming out here and being part of the video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.